Good morning, guys. Today is January 4, 2025. No boat today. Good morning. Di ba ko na maklaro? It's 5:40 in the morning. We're going to swim because Dongi want to swim, guys. Okay. We will swim. It's cold. My goodness. I hope there's a fishing today so that we can bring fish, guys. Yeah. Hello. Dongi are very ready. She have a goggles, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Daghan lang isagbot. Nagbaha day gahapon. Nanawa. Kusog kay balod di ay guro, oh. No? Look this. It's damage here. Na-damage na gid siya. So hinigawang of seawater. Gabi nag high tide. Ito. It's low tide. Nasisira na ang nasisira. Good morning. Guys, let's go swimming. Look at Dongi. Parang nawawala sa hawla. Dongi, parang kakuan. Wani mo gidala si Brownie. Parang nakabuhi sa kuan. Oo. Nakabuhi ang bata. Wala yun ng hisda, guys. My goodness. Hello. Hello, guys. Mag-swim na si Dongi. Swimming. Sige, go. Swim. Whoa. Birahay mo siya. Fun. Let's go swimming. Swim, guys. Go swimming. No sun yet. Guys, no need to make a swimming pool. No need. Just come here and swim in the sea. No need
swimming
pool. Guys, happy
New Year
2025. Happy New Year, guys.
3 minutes walk going to the beach. Going to the house.
3 minutes walk. Mga lazy man ka. Ligo, tanawa, talagsara ka ligo.
Once a year.
Once a year maligo sa ala, barang mainit na ron, oh.
Init na siya,
Look at the sky.
Guys.
Hello.